So okay, for making the samosa dough, you require flour. It's plain flour, around 3 pounds of flour. Make sure you sieve the flour really well before you start making it. Just mix it well, and then you add water little by little. It's just normal water, okay? It's straight up from the tap. Just add the water little by little till everything come together. Just give it a very good mix. Make sure the dough is not hard, okay? Just add the water. And then make sure you roll the dough on the table like I'm doing, so that this helps to soften the dough. The dough does not becomes hard, so just keep doing this process and trust me, you will get the perfect soft dough. And then just add a little bit of oil on top of it, and you cover it and leave it for at least 30 minutes or an hour. And voila, this is how the dough looks after an hour. Looks how soft it has become. This process is important to do, so make sure you do this process to get the perfect smooth dough, and just keep adding flour on top of it. And then make small balls like we are doing. Keep making the balls, but don't make all the balls together, otherwise become harder. Just make little bit and then you roll it. Sometimes quite hard to explain. Better you watch what we are doing. It's easy to understand. And then you just need to add oil. Okay, keep add oil on, and then you just have to sprinkle flour. This will help you to remove it layer by layer. Later you will see in the video what I'm talking. The oil and the flour is important to add. I'm sorry about the lighting and all that. While we are doing this, we run out of light. So yeah. And voila. And now you need to preheat it. Don't preheat it like you are preheating farata. So this one is different. Just give it a little bit of heat. That's it. And yeah. We are just cutting it to get the perfect square shape, and then you cut the size according to this, according you want your samosa to be. We prefer small samosa over bigger one. Let it cool down a little bit, and now you start removing the layer. And voila, this is why I was telling you the oil and the flour is important to add. If you don't add it enough, you will not be able to remove it like this. And yeah, make sure you subscribe for more such kind of videos and like, share. It's very simple, quick and easy to do. You can make it in advance and store it in the fridge. And yeah, and yeah, this is how it looks.